Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. DMAT and trading are active, and your PAN and Aadhaar are linked. Once done, fund the trading account with enough margin using UPI or net banking. This avoids order rejections during market hours. Next, open the Kite app or web, search the stock symbol, and choose the right exchange and segment. Make sure you verify lot size for derivatives or planned quantity for equity, because that determines the cash required and order type you'll place next. Now place the order. Select CNC for delivery if you want to hold shares rather than MIS intraday. Once selected, pick market for instant execution or limit to control entry price. Include a stop if you want risk control. Enter the exact quantity and double-check available margin and brokerage preview so there are no surprises. After previewing, confirm the order. You will receive an order ID, note it, if partially filled. The remaining portion will stay until canceled or filled later. Finish by confirming the trade in the order book. Once fully executed, holdings update after the T+2 settlement cycle. Make sure the share count matches your intended quantity and check the charges breakdown to reconcile P and L. If the order fails or is rejected, first confirm funds, product selection, and whether the exchange was halted. Next, check for limits or leverage shortfalls. If unresolved, contact Zerodha support with the order ID and screenshots. They can trace the trade and advise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.